Step into the backyard oasis of modern culinary dreams with this sleek outdoor kitchen. Decked out with stainless steel appliances that gleam in the sunlight, it's a contemporary marvel. The clean lines and minimalist vibe make it a stylish haven for outdoor cooking adventures. From sizzling grills to chilled drinks, this space has it all, promising endless moments of culinary delight under the open sky. Whether you're hosting a barbecue bash or enjoying a quiet evening meal al fresco, this outdoor kitchen is sure to elevate your outdoor living experience to a whole new level. Step into urban elegance with this chic outdoor kitchen, where minimalist aesthetics meet sleek surfaces. The clean lines and sophisticated design exude a sense of modern charm that's perfect for contemporary living. From the polished countertops to the streamlined appliances, every detail is carefully crafted to create a space that's both stylish and functional. Whether you're hosting a summer soiree or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this outdoor kitchen is sure to impress with its understated yet unmistakable sense of sophistication. With its blend of form and function, it's the perfect backdrop for culinary adventures in the great outdoors. Step into the realm of practicality and functionality with this outdoor kitchen, designed to maximize every inch of space. With its efficient storage solutions and smart layout, it's a true culinary haven for outdoor enthusiasts. From the cleverly organized cabinets to the strategically placed appliances, every element is tailored to make cooking and entertaining a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a feast for friends or enjoying a quiet meal with family, this outdoor kitchen ensures that every square foot is utilized to its fullest potential. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience, as you embrace the beauty of a space where form meets function in perfect harmony. Welcome to the epitome of luxury in outdoor living. Behold this magnificent outdoor kitchen. It's a symphony of opulence, boasting high-end appliances and upscale finishes that redefine alfresco dining. From the gleaming stainless steel appliances to the lavish granite countertops, every detail exudes sophistication and elegance. Picture yourself savoring culinary delights amidst the backdrop of a lush landscape, with the gentle breeze whispering through the air. Whether you're hosting a lavish soiree or indulging in a private gourmet meal, this outdoor kitchen sets the stage for an upscale ambience that's sure to impress even the most discerning guests. So, why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary in your own backyard? Step into the realm of rustic modern charm with this captivating outdoor kitchen, where natural materials harmonize effortlessly with modern conveniences. It's a delightful fusion of old-world warmth and contemporary flair, creating a space that exudes stylish comfort. Picture reclaimed wood accents juxtaposed with sleek stainless steel appliances, weaving a narrative of timeless elegance and practicality. Whether you're grilling up a storm or simply basking in the serenity of nature, this outdoor kitchen invites you to embrace the beauty of simplicity and sophistication. So gather round, dear friends, and let the magic of rustic modern charm elevate your outdoor culinary adventures to new heights. Transport yourself to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean with this enchanting outdoor kitchen, adorned with terracotta tiles and wrought iron accents that evoke a sense of timeless charm and inviting warmth. It's a captivating blend of old-world elegance and modern functionality, where every detail whispers tales of distant lands and romantic adventures. Picture yourself leisurely cooking amidst the fragrant herbs and vibrant colors of the Mediterranean landscape, with the gentle breeze carrying the scent of olive trees and citrus groves. Whether you're hosting a festive gathering or simply relishing a quiet moment of solitude, this outdoor kitchen invites you to savor the simple pleasures of life in true Mediterranean style. So come, bask in the warmth of the sun and the richness of the earth, and let your senses be transported to a world of culinary delights and endless inspiration. Buon appetito! Step into your own private tropical paradise with this mesmerizing outdoor kitchen, where bamboo details and lush greenery intertwine to create an island-inspired oasis of luxury. It's a feast for the senses, with every corner exuding the vibrant energy and laid-back charm of the tropics. Picture yourself surrounded by swaying palm trees and exotic flowers, as the soothing sounds of nature serenade you while you cook. From the bamboo countertops to the woven rattan chairs, every element is thoughtfully chosen to evoke a sense of island bliss. Whether you're hosting a luau under the stars or simply enjoying a leisurely meal with loved ones, this outdoor kitchen invites you to escape the ordinary and embrace the magic of tropical living. So kick off your shoes, feel the sand between your toes, and let the spirit of the islands wash over you in waves of pure bliss. Aloha! Step into the heart of urban sophistication with this industrial chic outdoor kitchen, where exposed brick and sleek metal elements converge to create a space that's both edgy and inviting. It's a nod to the raw beauty of cityscapes, with every detail carefully curated to evoke a sense of modern elegance. Picture yourself surrounded by the hustle and bustle of the city, yet cocooned in the comfort of your own private sanctuary. From the weathered brick walls to the gleaming metal countertops, every element tells a story of urban renewal and timeless style. Whether you're hosting a rooftop soiree or simply enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this outdoor kitchen invites you to embrace the energy and excitement of city living without sacrificing an ounce of comfort or style. So raise a glass to the fusion of form and function, and let the industrial chic charm of this space inspire your culinary adventures in the great outdoors. Welcome to your contemporary oasis, where the outdoor kitchen seamlessly incorporates water features and sleek lighting to create a haven of modern relaxation. It's a symphony of design elements, blending the tranquility of flowing water with the sophistication of cutting-edge lighting. Picture yourself unwinding amidst the soothing sounds of cascading waterfalls, as soft lights dance across the sleek surfaces of your outdoor culinary retreat. From the tranquil pond to the illuminated countertops, every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance your outdoor experience and elevate your sense of well-being. Whether you're hosting a stylish soiree or simply seeking a moment of quiet reflection, this outdoor kitchen invites you to escape the chaos of everyday life and immerse yourself in a world of contemporary luxury and serenity. So kick back, pour yourself a drink, and let the modern magic of this space transport you to a state of blissful relaxation. Cheers to the art of outdoor living. Step into the future of outdoor living with this smart kitchen, where cutting-edge technology takes center stage to provide effortless cooking and entertaining in a space that's as futuristic as it is functional. Imagine controlling your grill and appliances with a simple voice command or the tap of your smartphone, while integrated sensors monitor cooking temperatures and ensure perfect results every time. From automated lighting systems to state-of-the-art sound systems, every aspect of this outdoor kitchen is designed to enhance your culinary experience and streamline your entertainment needs. Whether you're hosting a gourmet dinner party or simply enjoying a casual barbecue with friends, this smart kitchen makes it easier than ever to impress your guests and elevate your outdoor living space to new heights of innovation and convenience. So say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cooking and hello to the future of outdoor entertaining, where technology meets culinary excellence in perfect harmony. Welcome to the future, welcome to your smart outdoor kitchen.